Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Bristol University's eVision account. So let's get started. To log into your Bristol University's eVision account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Bristol University's eVision login. After searching for that option, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option which says eVision University of Bristol. After tapping on that option, you'll come up with this login page. Now to log into your Bristol University's eVision account, you just have to enter your username and then enter your account's password. After entering your account's password, what you can do is just tap on sign in, and by tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just simply tap on reset your application. But if you have forgotten your password, then what you can do is just simply tap on reset your applicant password, and by tapping on that option, you'll successfully reset or recover your password. So after recovering or resetting your password, what you can do is just simply come back to the sign in page and then enter the new password that you have created, then tap on sign in, and you'll successfully sign into your account. So if you are a member of staff, then what you can do is just tap on staff sign in, and then you can sign into your staff account if you would like. So that's it guys, this is how to sign into your Bristol University's eVision account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.